Good morning, I'm Luca Macchia, Technical Director of Cultraro. Today I would like to tell you about gear wheels and their use in our dampers. We produce two big families of dampers. They use gear wheels for the connection to the customer counterpart, the small C rotary and the bigger DE rotary. When you design a gear wheel connection, there are many aspects to be considered, but today I would like to speak about two of them. First of all, you need to calculate the proper position of the rotational axis of the gears. If you have standard spool gears, the distance between the axes depends on the module and the number of teeth. For example, if you have two gears with the module 0.8, one with 11 teeth and another one with 20 teeth, the distance between the two axes will be 12.4 millimeters. If you don't respect this criteria, the gears can create noise or damage themselves during the rotation. Then you need to take care of the design of the geometry of the teeth. The gears with straight teeth used in our dampers have the typical involute profile. When you design the counterpart for our gears, it can be another gear or a rack, you need to be sure that the software that you use to design the tooth profile gives you the possibility to design a profile ready to be built and not only a cosmetical feature. Here you can see in a typical automotive application the use of a gear wheel connection. If you have problems with the gears that you have already designed or realized, feel free to contact us and we will find a way to help you.